So I did my PhD in business administration, but I focused in what's called organizational behavior. So basically, that's just looking at how people click and connect in organizational settings, examining their feelings, attitudes, and behaviors in and around organizations. In terms of a research focus, primarily when I did my PhD, it was heavily reliant on leadership styles, and specifically women in leadership. I also did a lot of consulting work in the well-being space, as well as psychosocial factors of the workplace overall, and a lot of work on high performance psychological factors within workplace settings. Some of those psychological factors, again, had to go back to that well-being piece. Primarily in my PhD, most of my research did center around women in leadership roles, as well as ties to well-being, and specifically in terms of the well-being space, mental health. And then once I finished up my PhD, I did go into academia for several years. So I was on a number of research projects in that space as well, typically sticking to the leadership sphere. But my role primarily as a researcher had a lot to do with psychometric analytics and the development of assessment tools within, the leadership and the culture space. And specifically, one of the biggest projects that I worked on had to do with allyship within leadership roles, because there was no measure ever developed for that. So we kind of took it from the ground up. The other thing too, if I, just kind of look back towards my dissertation as well, that would be another example of where I developed a tool from the ground up. I did a number of studies within my dissertation that focused on the decision-making styles within teams, within organizational settings, and specifically looking at the outcome of performance. So what exactly predicts performance in a team environment?